Our son has been using LingoAce for 3 months, and he likes it a lot.
My son is 8, and he's been using LingoAce for a year now.
She's in the advanced program in LingoAce. She's about 2 years in.
我喜欢学习中文。
We started with the free trial and never looked back.
She likes how LingoAce uses games and activities to teach. It doesn't even feel like school to her. She just really looks forward to her activities.
They've got these cute illustrations and interactive parts.
I really liked how they got to know my son at first, how he learns, how to engage with him.
The teachers are certified Chinese language professionals. They're attentive, they're engaging, and they've really gotten to know our son.
My daughter's older, and the content is really matched for her comprehension. And the teachers, they teach at her age.
The classes are all one-on-one, which means our son gets way more attention.
We had a point where the teacher reached out and said he was responding to more visual cues. So we added more props in class, and it really helped with his vocab. That kind of attention is hard to get, but it made us appreciate what LingoAce is providing.
Results? Definitely.
What's impressive with LingoAce is that because it's fun, we get better results.
I think it's already opening up possibilities.
I'm just happy that he loves learning Chinese.
After using LingoAce for a year, my son started reading Chinese books.
I'm happy to see her talking with my parents, her grandparents. It's something she couldn't do before. She even wrote a letter to her grandma. You can't put a price on unlocking that kind of connection. It's really special.
Language unlocks opportunities. We understand the challenges of learning a new language. That's why we set out to transform the way we engage our modern young learners, making learning Chinese fun and fulfilling. Learning doesn't wait. So sign your child up for a trial class now and experience the LingoAce difference.